Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn about MongoDB. So what is a MongoDB? MongoDB is one of the popular NoSQL database. So MongoDB is a document oriented database, stores the data in terms of documents, not like a rows and columns in RDBMS. It's a NoSQL database. It's having high performance, high availability, highly scalable features. Let us see how the data will be stored in the MongoDB. First we'll have a database like in any RDBMS. You need to create the database. Inside the database we'll have collections. So set of collections is nothing but a database like tables in RDBMS. So inside the collections we'll have a documents. That means records. So set of documents will be stored in the collection. So each document, each record is a collection of fields like name, value, pairs. This is where the data will be stored in the format of name, value, pairs, or like any graph format or any other format. Let us look at the main features of the MongoDB. It provides the indexing by default. It provides replication, that means high availability. So in case if there is any single point node failures, it replicates because of the replication. The servers will be available at any point of time. So we'll have the high availability of data. So load balancing. So you can add n number of servers and balance the load of the server using load balancing. There are different advantages. We don't have any kind of complex joins. It's a lightweight. It's faster than any other database. How to install the MongoDB? Just you need to go to the website, a MongoDB website, http://www.mongodb.org/downloads. So select the latest version and download it on your machine. Let us see how to create a database in MongoDB environment. So we can use a shell kind of environment. Like once it's installed, we need to start the MongoDB server. Then you can create the database, like use database name. So use testdb. That means it creates a testdb database name. So use show dbs means it displays all the list of the database in the MongoDB database. Let us see how to create a collection. So once you create the database, it's a test database like so. Database.create collections command. So using this create collections command, we can create the collections inside the database. Sample is like db.create collection of test collection, or if you want to see all the collections, you can use the command show. It displays all the collections within the MongoDB. So how to insert a document into the collection is the database dot collection name dot insert key value pairs. So there are other useful methods in the MongoDB environment like save, find, count, drop. So save method saves the document into the collection. Find method read the data from the database. Count method gives elements count in the collection. Drop method we can drop the entire collection. That's it about the tutorial. Thank you for watching.